I'm cooking Herby barbecued chicken today with char-grilled peppers and lemon mayonnaise. Now if that sounds a bit complicated at the beach, it's not, because I got most of it prepared at home, so it's really quick and simple. These are boneless chicken thighs that I marinated at home. I put them into a food bag with some olive oil, some lemon juice, some garlic, some herbs and a little bit of seasoning, and the bag makes it really easy to squish it all around so the marinade goes right into the chicken. I'm cooking them on a medium heat, turning them every few minutes so they cook all the way through and don't burn on the outside. The beauty of these little gas grills is that you can control the temperature on either side. So this side is really hot, ready for my Romano peppers. They're going to cook alongside the chicken until they're beautiful and char-grilled all over. The chicken's going to take about 15 or 20 minutes to cook, depending on the thickness of the fillets. And by closing the lid, you're going to create a more even heat, like an oven, so they'll cook all the way through really evenly. Once that's all cooked, I'm going to move it all over to one side to keep warm, and I'm going to toast some lovely rolls to serve it in. At home, I've mixed some mayonnaise with some lemon zest, chives, salt and pepper. All I'm going to do is pile a bit of chicken on there, top it with a red pepper and a nice dollop of mayonnaise, and there you are. Within 25 minutes, we've got Herby barbecued chicken, char-grilled peppers and lemon mayonnaise. Delicious.